Hello, boys and girls. This is your Saxon reteach lesson for lesson 68 that we did today, Thursday, February 4th, 2021. If you were in class today, you saw that we got a chance to split the class up into two groups. So a group that went with Miss Banner, who focused on initial sounds, and a group that stayed with me and focused on writing CVC words and a couple words with blends. So if you're watching the video because you missed the lesson in class or maybe logged on a little late, you are going to decide based on what you think you can do right now if you just want to write the first letter of the word or if you would like to try to write the whole word. Most of these words are consonant, vowel, consonant words, so you should be able to sound them out and write the letters. When we get to the last 5 words, they get a little trickier. So if at that point you decide, hey, I just want to write the first letter, that's fine. All right, so this again is lesson 68. So I'm going to use this Jamboard here to help us. So what I did with my group this morning is we did, consonant, vowel, consonant words. So the first group of words was in the at word family. All right, so you're going to fill in the consonant that goes here to make the new word. So these will all be at words, okay? So for number 1, write the word cat. K-at. Remember to pause the video if I go too fast because I do go faster on the videos than I do in class because you can pause when you need to. Number 2, rat. At. Number 3, fat. At. Number 4, sat. At. And I am going to bring up my movie screen here so that you can see my mouth too as I'm saying these words. So again, for 1 you had cat. Number 2 was rat. Number 3 was fat. And number 4 was sat. And those are all in the at word family. They all rhyme also. Cat, rat, fat, sat. They all have the same ending sound and they rhyme. All right, let's go to the next group of words. So this is going to be the ought word family. Okay, and I'm going to get my numbers here so I can bring my movie screen back up then and you can see my mouth as I'm saying these words. Okay, so this is going to be for 5 through 8. So number 5 is cot, as in a cot that you could sleep on. Cot. Number 6, rot. Ought. Rot. Number 7, lot. Ought. Lot. And number 8, not. Ought. Not. Like I am not going. Not you tie a knot. That actually starts with a silent K. All right. Next word family, starting with number 6, is going to be the it word family. Okay, so we're going to have a consonant, and then vowel is I, consonant is T. So this is going to be for number 9, number 10, number 11, and number 12. Okay, so this is the it word family. Number 9, fit. It. Fit. Number 10, sit. It. Sit. Number 11, mit. It. And number 12, kit. It. Kit. Now the last couple here, remember these ones get a little tricky, but try to do the best you can and write the sounds that you hear. It's okay if they're not all spelled correctly. This is what I want to see, is what sounds are you hearing? All right. So this is for 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So for number 13, gift. G-I-F-T. 4 sounds, also has 4 letters. Gift. Number 14 is fish. The funny thing about fish is it has 3 sounds but 4 letters. So I hear f-I, and then I hear the sound sh. There are 2 letters that come together to make that one sound sh in fish. Number 15, fuzz. And I showed in class today how this word fuzz actually has the double Z at the end. It has the twin consonants at the end for fuzz. So again, a word with 4, it's going to have 4 letters, but it's only going to have 3 sounds. Fuzz. Because we don't say that Z twice. We don't say fuzz, right? We say fuzz. Number 16. This is the hardest one. Stump. St. So think about what makes that blend. St. 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 Mp. St. Mp. Stump. And finally, number 17, snug. So this has a blend in the beginning too. G. 4 sounds, 4 letters. Snug. Okay. So at the bottom of your page, you see a box of your letters. So you're going to circle all the Z's, uppercase or lowercase. Okay. You're going to circle all the Z's you see. And then if you turn your paper over on the back, you're going to see a matching activity. So what I suggest doing is putting a line down the middle to separate, because you only really want to be looking, or you can even fold your paper like I'm doing right now. You only want to be looking at this group first. Sometimes it gets confusing if you're looking at all the words and pictures at once. So I want you to try this on your own. You're going to look at the word, try to sound it out, and match it to its picture. All right. If you're not sure what the pictures are, I can tell you that this is a tub, this is a pig, and this is zip, like a zipper. Looking at these pictures, this looks like someone is using a rag to clean something, rag. This is milk, and this is a mat, like a door mat that you would wipe your feet on before you come in the house. All right, so go ahead and match those. Pause the video until you do that. And then finally at the bottom, you have some sight words. So what's this sight word? 4, as in the number 4. What's this sight word? But. How about this one? Of. And if we add an F to it, we get off. How about this one? Not a sight word on our word wall, but we can sound it out. Run. Run. And finally this one. From. Don't forget to take pictures of the front and the back of your Saxon 68 activity sheet and send them to me through text or Dojo.